Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find this apps section. Then let's tap on manage apps, so the second option, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on Reset App Preferences, as this is the option we're looking for. And here our device will inform us what we will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.